She proudly steps forward, representing the majestic Quezon province, as she presents the gold crafted entirely from various parts of the coconut tree. The skirt is a mosaic of polished coconut shells and husk fibers, arranged in hundreds of beautiful protective scales, symbolizing the bounty and resilience of our homeland. The magnificent complete utility from its fruit to its everyday use. This costume is more than just the prosperity of its golden harvest and the endless life the coconut brings to the province.
Masira yung ano niya, yung